everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oof, my hair looks a mess today because I haven't washed it in like 3-4 days, so it's super greasy. Today I wanted to talk about some of my favorites, some new releases, things like that. So I'm just gonna jump right in and let's get started. Since the summer is coming to an end and we're leading into fall, and these are basically some of my picks that will transition really well from summer to fall. The first thing that I'm absolutely loving is the new YSL Libre fragrance. It smells incredible. It has this like really sultry, sexy scent, but it's really light at the same time. So it's something that you could wear day and night. What I love about it the most is that it has this prominent smell. The reason I'm loving this so much, it definitely gives me that summer night vibe, but then it also gives me like this really fall feel too. So it's a really great transition perfume to wear. So in it, we have Moroccan orange blossom, and then we also have some musk in it. So it gives you a little bit of a floral feel, but then it also, the musk gives you a little bit more of a masculine feel. So when you put those two together, they complement each other so well. So it just really gives you like this daring scent that is just, you can't even put your hands on it, but it just is so prominent. What else is really cute about it, the bottle, it has the YSL logo, which is really reminiscent of the bags, the YSL bags, and like the gold chain around it. It's just really pretty overall. I love the packaging. This is one that's going to sit on my desk forever. It just has that iconic look, like just very timeless. I love it. And I promise you guys, if you guys get this, you won't be disappointed and you'll be like, thank you, Angela. This is the best fragrance I've ever smelled in my whole life. It's just next up, another product that I'm loving that is the perfect transition palette from summer to fall is the Naked Honey. I mentioned this in my other video. It has the most beautiful golds and naturals and earthy tones in here, and then they have like a good mix of the mattes, and then they have a great mix of the shimmers that just look great on everyone, like the golds and the burnt browns and just all the colors that everyone loves. So you can do really great day to day eye looks. Like I have it a little bit on my eyes right now, like the underneath and just like the transition, or you could do like really deep sexy night out type of looks with it. It's just all around perfect. This is definitely one of my favorite, no, this is definitely my #1 favorite Naked palette, just because I feel like everybody could use this. So this is definitely one to have in your collection. You don't want to miss out on it. Then another one of my favorites is the new Laura Mercier, and this is the Matte Radiance Baked Powder Highlight. So it's just like their setting powder, I guess, or their baked bronzer, but what's different about it, has like a shimmer to it. It's amazing. It reminds me a lot of their translucent glowy powder. It's so pretty. I'm just gonna swatch a little bit and put it on my finger and show you. I'm wearing it right now. It just has such a nice subtle glow. I have some here and like above my lids and just around my face. It just brings your face back to life without looking greasy and shiny and heavy and showing every pore on your face that is there. I love it, and I definitely recommend it if you love glowy looks where you just look healthy and young and youthful. This is the powder for you. Then up next, so I am a self-tanning junkie, especially with it going from summer to fall. I'm not out in the sun as much as I was, so I have a little bit of a tan, but like my legs always lose my tan first. I feel like everyone does, especially like my shin, calves. So I've been using the Jergens Instant Sun, and I love it because it doesn't leave me orange and it doesn't leave me stained up. And if I mess it up, I can pretty much like exfoliate right away and start over. So it's really versatile, and I feel like it has a really good natural looking tan. And what I love about it, it doesn't have that nasty funky smell, and it doesn't get on like my white bed sheets or like lighter colors of things. So I put this on at night, like, so I'm going away tomorrow to Atlanta. I'm gonna pack this with me, but I'm gonna put it on tonight, and then tomorrow my legs are gonna look a little bit darker so they kind of matches the rest of my body. So this is definitely good to have if you know, I feel like September is such a weird month because we have 90-degree days. Because we have like 90-degree days where you're still wearing shorts, but then you have other days where it's chilly and you're wearing pants. So your legs, my legs anyway, don't get that tan. And so this kind of just like evens everything out. So I definitely recommend picking this guy up. Then next up, I'm loving the Lorac, and these are like the diamond shades. What I'm loving about them is that they come in 1, 2, 3, 4. They come in 6 different shades. A few of them are really light, like where you can wear summertime, so I have them on my lid like right here. And then some of them are a little bit darker where you could do more smokier eyes. They're the diamond editions. I'll put them in the link below. They're awesome though. They're easy to use. I just kind of use my finger and pop it on my skin, and it gives me like that fresh, bright eyeshadow look without doing any work. So it's perfect if you're kind of just getting into makeup, getting started, or you want to look like you have it all together, but you only have 35 seconds to get yourself together. Definitely recommend these. I'm just going to put them on my arm real quick and then show you the swatches up close. So here are the swatches. They're really pretty. So you could see like there's some dark colors, but this color right here and like this color mixed sometimes with this color, I can even use that as like a highlight on your cheeks, or like mix it with your foundation and just give you like a really, really bright face. I love them. They're beautiful. They feel like almost velvety powdery. They're really, really pretty, and they leave no fallout, which is awesome. The Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. It smells so good. It has a blueberry scent to it, but it's not fake blueberries. I don't know how to describe it. It just smells really, really delicious. It literally reminds me, I know this is gonna sound weird, it reminds me of like an edible arrangement basket, like when you first get it, how it just smells so new and fresh. That's what it smells like every time I wash my face, to be honest. I know it's a very weird analogy, but that's the best way I could put it. It just smells really, really fresh and brand new every single time. I love that it's really, really gentle. It doesn't dry me out. A lot of cleansers can dry you out and leave you a little bit flaky or a little red, whatever. This is very, very gentle. I definitely recommend this from going from summer to fall time because the weather starts to change. I know my allergies are driving me crazy, so my skincare sort of changes, and I definitely need things that a little bit more on the gentle side because, you know, I'm coming down from being oily, being outside all the time, to being inside more than usual. So then my skin kind of goes through this weird phase where it'll be oily one day and then really dry the next. So I kind of have to be careful and play around with it with what I use, and this is something that I can absolutely depend on because it never leaves my skin kind of a mess, and I'm really, really happy with it. And I haven't been having any breakouts, thank you God. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope this helps you because I know there's so many releases coming out and it's really overwhelming. So if you guys choose to get any of these guys, let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you soon.